welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. I am here today to unbox the March 2022 Beauty Heroes box. I'm so excited because I just got it in the mail this afternoon, and once again I have no idea what brand is in the box or what products or anything, so I'm very excited. Sometimes I like to try to guess, so I'm going to try to guess it this month. My guess is going to be that it's Nini Organics, which would be amazing if it is. I recently did my beauty wish list, and one of the products on there was a product from Nini Organics, and I know they're also new to Beauty Heroes. Like, they've been there for less than 6 months, like carried by Beauty Heroes for less than 6 months. And one of my viewers made a comment on the wish list video, like, I can't wait for you to open the March Beauty Heroes box. So that makes me think that one of my products on my wish list, or at least a brand on my wish list, is in this box. I hope that made sense, because that was a very long-winded explanation of me telling you why I think it's going to be Nini Organics. So let's open it up together and find out. I love this moment where it's like the first of the month and I don't know what's going to be in here or what new products I'm going to be trying this month, and I'm really excited. So I'm just going to savor it for a minute. Okay, let's do this. It is not Nini Organics, but it is Activist. So there was a product on my wish list from Activist Manuka, and it was their Manuka Honey mask. So it would be exciting if that was on here. Let's see. Ooh, this is exciting. Oh, I'm excited about this. There's 3 products in this box. Yay. That's what it looks like. So let's check them out. Oh, I'm so happy. 3 products is fun too. I've never used anything by this brand, Activist. So this is raw Manuka Activist honey, 100% MGO. So we have some honey, which I'll be very curious to see. I think this is probably for food, but let's find out. And then we have the mask that was on my wish list. Yay! The Manuka Honey mask. It's exciting. This was on my list. Wishes do come true. How cool. Let's see if I can get it. I'm like fighting it, like ripping it open. Here's the Manuka Honey mask. This is fun. I didn't expect this brand. How tricky of Beauty Heroes. And their green Botanical Serum, which I don't know anything about either. Yay. All right, let's see. I gotta open this with a little knife I have here. I don't know why I grabbed a knife and not scissors, but that's what I grabbed. It was the most accessible. So, ooh, look at that. That's so cool. Serum. All right, this is so fun. I'm excited. Okay, so I think that the hero product, I'll have to see as I read, is the mask, but let's find out. All right, so the Manuka Honey mask, 850 plus MGO, 80 milliliters for $65. And it says, would a honey by any other name be as sweet? The answer is no. Harvested off the wild coast of New Zealand, Manuka is a rare aged honey from bees that pollinate the Manuka bush, a native shrubby evergreen plant that blooms for only a few weeks per year. Touting off-the-charts antibacterial and antiviral potency compared to normal honey, Manuka's superpowers derive from a unique compound called methyl glycosyl MGO. As the honey matures, the MGO increases. The greater the MGO concentration, the greater its benefit, but that's not all. Manuka is proven to be more stable, resulting in a higher potency, greater enzymatic activity, and more powerful humectant properties. The founders of Activist have masterfully extracted this miracle nectar and incorporated it into every product in their range, including this month's hero, the Manuka Honey Mask, 850 plus MGO, an exfoliating, hydrating, regenerating treatment that liberates skin from the appearance of dryness, inflammation, and fatigue. Double filtered, purified, and naturally preserved, this mask's thinner texture ensures a soft gliding application, which is interesting because in my mind, when I had read about this product, I thought it would be thick because it's honey. So that's interesting that it's thin. The mask delivers unparalleled anti-inflammatory benefits to help calm irritation and relieve excessively dry areas. Beautifully packaged in a fully recyclable aluminum tube, this mask is the perfect partner for skin on the go wherever you go. This month's hero product is suitable for all skin types, but it is especially effective in soothing sensitive, inflamed, or breakout-prone skin. Use as a mask, a targeted spot treatment, or a cleanser, and experience the many wonders of Manuka. And the only ingredient, which is the superpower ingredient, is raw Manuka honey. Fun. I'm gonna pierce it open. Because, whoa, it's already coming out. I know that happens sometimes when a tube is like super full. So this is, I'm gonna put a little on my hand, then we're gonna seal it up. All right, we don't want any more coming out of there. All right, so this is what it looks like. And so, yeah, it has like a feeling. Smells like honey and sticky like honey. And actually, they say it's like thinner to help it glide better. Definitely doesn't really feel that thin to me, so that's probably a good thing. Yeah, so that's gonna be fun because I love new masks and I wanted this one anyway, so yay. All right, next product up is the Green Botanical Face Serum, which is 30 milliliters and a value of 75. So we have a value of 65, 75, and the next thing is $32. So I don't know anything about this face serum. Green Botanical Face Serum, led by the nourishing powers of raw Manuka oil, a thoughtful synergy of botanicals combines in Green Botanical Face Serum, a handcrafted omega-rich serum to soothe, calm, nourish, and smooth skin. Manuka branch oil and blue tansy form an opulent blue-green hue that emulates the balance of land and sea botanicals found in this exquisitely sensual formula. Infusions of kiwi fruit, seed, and avocado saturate skin with omega-3s and rich vitamin E, while wild harvested algae promotes collagen and strengthens the skin barrier, resulting in luscious, plump skin with a vibrant, sweet-scented glow. Squalene aids with quick, easy absorption, allowing the serum to deeply penetrate and alleviate irritation and suppress the appearance of blemishes. With strong calming properties and dynamic skin protecting benefits, Green Botanical Face Serum is a superbly soothing treatment for all ages and genders. The superpower ingredients are algae, avocado extract, blue tansy, kiwi fruit seed, raw Manuka branch oil, and squalene. So again, this is what it looks like. I have a cat trying to join the party. Let me take a sniff. Oh, it smells good. It smells like blue tansy. That smells good. That smells actually very similar. If anyone's used the Chicky Botanical, there's this face serum that I got in a recent Petit Vour box when I was getting it just like a few months ago. It smells like that. So I'm gonna put on this hand because the other hand has honey on it. So that's the oil, the serum. Oh, yum. Smells so good. So I know there's not much to see here, but just showing you how it absorbs in. Really nice blue tansy scent. I love it. Oh, this is so exciting. Yum. I'm excited. And it's nice to not get a moisturizer because we have received, a lot of moisturizers in the past few months from Beauty Heroes, in my opinion. We got the Halocene Intense Lipid Repair Balm from Arcana at the end of 2021. And then for January 2022, we got the Iuna Terra Viva, which is a moisturizer or can be used as a serum as well, but to me it's a moisturizer. And then for February, we got the Earthwise Beauty Isadora Face Balm. So we just were getting a lot of moisturizers. So it's nice that there's no moisturizers or balms or whatever in this box this month. Different stuff and new stuff, which is cool. And the last thing is the Manuka Honey 100 plus MGO, 12 ounces for $32. It says, give your morning a boost by adding a spoonful of Manuka Honey 100 plus MGO to your coffee or tea. Slather on toast for a benefit-packed breakfast. Add a sweet spoonful to yogurt for a midday snack, or enjoy as a sweet treat right from the spoon. The 100 plus MGO concentration is a daily dose of system support, perfect for ongoing health maintenance. This activist Manuka honey is a master of health and resilience, known for delivering a multitude of benefits, including promoting digestive health, soothing sore throats, alleviating the effects of allergies, and boosting the immune system. And the superpower ingredients is the same superpower ingredients as this, and it's just raw Manuka honey. So of course we have the difference in the MGO strength. The honey they gave us here is 100 plus, and the honey in the mask is 850 plus. So that's what it said. As the honey matures, the MGO increases. The greater the MGO concentration, the greater its benefit. I didn't know that, so now I understand. Fun. So this is exciting. I can show you what the honey looks like because I definitely plan to use it. Ooh, if I can open it this month. So I really can't open this. Okay, I got it. Whew, good thing, because I went to the gym earlier, so I should be able to open a jar of honey, you know? Now if I can open the label without sending this whole thing flying. Oy vey. I'm gonna have to cut it open with my knife. See, actually this knife, I don't wanna stab myself. Oh, there we go. This knife came in handy. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Oh my gosh, this is like nice, probably like the nicest honey I've owned, so look at that. It's kind of really cool to get like an edible item in one of these Beauty Hero boxes. I do drink tea every morning, and normally I add cream and some like raw sugar, but I think I'm gonna like try to use this, and my kids probably, I actually got a recipe, my babysitter, who's now not babysitting anymore, but she's amazing, and she made us a loaf of bread recently before she was done babysitting, and it was so good. And she was saying that she likes to eat it with butter and honey on it, which I've never had it that way. And they mention that as a snack on your toast, slather on toast. So I'm gonna, and I got the recipe for the bread and I got the ingredients. So I think I'm gonna make the bread and then I'll eat the bread with butter and honey, and everything will be amazing. So that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited about this box. I have never used anything from Activist Manuka, and there's a mask that I wanted, a serum that smells great, and honey that you can eat. I mean, this is a very well-rounded box in my opinion, and I'm really excited to try it all this month. Please let me know if you get this box too, what you think of it, or if you've used any of these products, or any of your thoughts or comments. I would love to hear. Please give the video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and I look forward to talking to you soon. And I definitely will do a post at the end of the month to let you know my thoughts on the product, my thoughts and experience. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.